Here are some quick tips to help you clean and care for your Frigidaire top-load washer. To prevent odors, remove clothing from the washer promptly. Use a damp cloth or mild soap and water to clean the top and sides of the washer. Avoid hard, gritty, or abrasive cleanser. Avoid moisture buildup by drying the washer top, the lid opening, and the underside of the lid. When safely possible, to help prevent odors and humidity accumulation, leave the lid open for a little bit of time when not in use. When washing heavily soiled items, shake or brush off excess dirt or sand before putting in the washer. If any residue remains in the tub, simply wipe it with a non-abrasive household cleaner and then use the rinse and spin only cycle. To clean and freshen the washer tub, activate the tub clean cycle. Depending on your model, this may also be referred to as system clean cycle or clean washer cycle. For best results, perform the cycle once a month or every 50 wash cycles, depending on your model. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.